Alright, so this is a multimeter. And have you ever wondered what's actually inside a digital multimeter? And today, in order to see what's inside, I had opened my old multimeter. And trust me, the inside looks simple, but the engineering is so brilliant. So let's tear it down and see what's inside it and how it measures the current, voltage, and resistance with just one chip. So let's talk about the brain of the multimeter. So right at the center, under this black blob, this is the main IC, the brain of the multimeter. So it's a system on chip package. So this single chip handles everything like the ADC conversion, range selection, display driving, and some calculations. So basically all those measurements which you see on the screen, this little blob does it. So now let's talk about the resistors and calibration network. So right at the top you will see a full row of resistors, and they aren't random. They act as voltage dividers and current limiters. So when you rotate the multimeter dial, these resistors decide how much of the signal should enter the IC. And this blue component right here is the variable resistor, and it is used for fine calibration, and manufacturers actually set it once to ensure accurate readings. So now let's talk about the fuse and shunt. And now this is important, the fuse. So this protects the meter when you accidentally measure high current in the wrong mode. And now right beside it is the shunt resistor, a thick metal wire or strap. And you might be wondering where it is. Well, it is this. So this is how the multimeter measures current, and it checks the voltage drop across this low resistance path. Well, this golden track is the rotary switch system. So when we turn on the dial, the wiper connects different paths on this PCB, like the AC voltage, DC voltage, resistance, continuity, and current. So this is what selects the right circuit automatically. And you can also see many small capacitors and transistors. So these help the meter filter noise, stabilize the readings, and handle the AC measurements. This is the place where we can connect the battery. And there is one more component which is used in continuity test, and let me know in the comments what it is. So that was everything inside a digital multimeter. And if you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching. See you next time.